Hello everybody, MUGABI here and welcome to another Canva Pro video. In the last video we looked at how to resize your graphics. If you created a Facebook cover and you wanted to convert it into a Facebook post, we looked at how to do that with the magic resize, which is only available to Canva Pro. In this video we are going to look at the Elements Pro, how to use the different elements that are available in Canva Pro, how to integrate them into your graphics. So as always, it all begins with a design. And to do that, you can always search in the bar. You can type in the search bar what you're looking for, what type of design you want to create. You can choose from the thousands of templates available in Canva right here. So today, in order to demonstrate the Elements Pro feature in the Canva Pro, we are going to look at documents. I think documents will be called. Let's use a brochure as the base. I think let's use this company brochure. Now some of these templates have more than one page, so I'm going to select this page, and then to look at the Elements Pro, go back to the left. Below the photos you have the elements. Now you can scroll through. You have a lot of elements to choose from. You have things like grids, you have things like shapes, you have flowers. You can choose from the featured, and within the featured, notice we have all these elements. Now whether you are in Canva Pro or you are using Canva Basic, you have a lot of free elements to use. Now for example, this one. Now you can just click and drag to place it, and then you can also resize it if you need. I'm going to scale it a bit. Now you can always type in the search bar if you're looking for something specific, and then you can check out some of the other things like grids or shapes or frames. Now these frames act like image placeholders. You can check those out. You have things like gradients. Whatever element you are interested in, you can just click and drag it into your project, and you can always right click on the element. You can either use send to back or bring to front. You can check out some of this other cool stuff like flowers, like let's check out the accessories. Let's check out this one, the travel accessories. Now with the travel accessories, we can turn this brochure, this kind of medical brochure, into a travel brochure very quick. I'm going to click this one, and then I'm going to delete it. I'm going to place something. I think you need a GoPro. You definitely need a GoPro, especially if you are doing some vlogs. So just like that, with the power of the elements, with the power of these cool, beautiful elements available in Canva, you have been able to turn the medical brochure into a travel brochure so quick. If you are doing this from anywhere else outside of Canva, you would probably take a lot longer than this. You would need a lot more time than we have used right here, because you need to look for this bag, you need to look for the camera outside, you need to look for the aeroplane image somewhere else, maybe from Google. But with the power of Canva Pro, you have been able to create this in less than 5 minutes also. So whenever you need to create some brochures or some posters, remember that Canva has all the elements that you need in your designs. Alright? I hope to see you in the next video, where we are going to look at how to export your cool graphics, export your brochures or your business card or whatever you have designed into the real world, whether you are going to print it or you are going to post it on social media. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next one.